Hey y'all, what is up everyone? Welcome to my channel, WinDev. So today we are going to be talking about something a little different. Okay, we're gonna go with our lesson number 5, I'm guessing. Yep. Arrays in JavaScript. Okay, we're gonna be talking about what are arrays and then common array methods, then looping through arrays, other useful array methods, arrays of arrays, nested arrays, and then yeah, so we're gonna get started. Okay, all right, if you can see this, okay, lesson 5, arrays. Okay, all right, we are going to structure the array. Okay, I'm gonna const fruits. We're gonna have different fruits, call it apple, banana, and then cherry. Okay, these are our arrays. Okay, our array contains, right, in the index 0, it has an index. Okay, it's 0, index 0, index 1, index 2, and in order to access them, you just go console.log fruits. This is how you access them. Want to access at index 0, and we want to run this. All right, this is the less lessons. Okay, we don't want to talk about that, just focus on that. All right, see what we got. um did I console log some stuff here? Okay, is even or odd is not defined. Let me find it. Is even or odd is odd. Let's get rid of that one and see what. Let me get rid this one. Day of week. Oh yeah, this. Gotta get rid of everything here. Okay, now finally, multiplication table. Multiplication. Okay, got rid of that. Okay, now here we got our value, and we do this. Banana 2. We do 0, or we do 3. It'll be undefined because we don't have any. Okay, leave it like that. And the next one, we're gonna be creating and initializing arrays. We're gonna create an empty array, call it empty array, make it empty. Okay, and we can do this and add elements later. Okay, let's do this. Empty dot push. So we are adding an element in there. call it apple. Okay, but now we can console log empty array. It's not empty anymore. If we do it before it, it'll be empty, then not empty. Okay, there we go. And this is called predefined arrays. Okay, we have values already, and this is not predefined. Okay, and then we're going to be accessing and modifying elements. We're going to be using the same thing, just going to be using fruit, and like I showed you, we just console log, we're accessing, you know, the first value, any value, so it gives us, you know, the value, and we want to modify. Here's how to modify them. Okay, let's see, we're gonna call fruits, and we're gonna add it to 0 1. Okay, 1, and we're gonna make it a pine, just call it pine, and we can console log it. There we go, pine, and then we can console log the whole array, and now it changed. Okay, modified it, it doesn't add anything to it. And then to use something to add to it, we would use push. Push generally do is to add element to the end of the array. Okay, here we're gonna do this. Fruits dot peach. Oh no, push peach. Okay, we're gonna console log the fruit right here, and then fruit down here. See what happens. Okay, there we go. The first array, right? Second. And then if you want to add something to the front of it, you can do the opposite of push. You can use unshift. There we go. Peach came to the top and everything shifted. All right. To remove an element, we can do pop. So pop usually do is to erase the end, or to remove the first element. Like, to remove the first element. So fruit, right? Oh no, to remove the last element, I mean pop. And shift removes the first one. See? Okay. Now that we got that, and let's talk about array length and index out of bounds. Okay. Let me see. Console log the length. What are we gonna get? We get 3 because we have 3 items there, right? And then if we access something that does not have it in there, like the indices, right? So this 0 1 2, we access 4, it's gonna be undefined because it's not available. Now let's talk about looping through arrays. I'm just gonna keep using the same example. Okay, so we're gonna say for, we learned this a couple lessons previously, and then I less than fruits dot length I plus plus, and we're gonna console the log. It's gonna give us each element. Okay, I, there we go. And then we can also use for of, for const fruits of fruits of fruit, and get each individual fruit. Okay, it made sense, right? There. Const, oh yeah, not that, but yeah, same thing. We're gonna use forEach method. It's almost the same, you know. fruits dot for each. You can choose anything you want. We mostly would use this, you know, like that. What? I'm recording, bruh. Not log. What? What do you want? I'm recording.
I'm gonna get up.
Okay. We're gonna use the index, all right? And the index, and then we're gonna use the fruit. Here, it's gonna show us index 1, 0, 1, 2, right? This is pretty cool. And now we're gonna use arrays method in depth. We're gonna do more stuff, okay? We're gonna say const more fruits. And we're gonna be talking about concatenating two arrays together. Now right here, I want peach, strawberry, yep, and then raspberry, okay, something like that. And we want to put these two together now. What do we use? Well, we're gonna say const all fruit. We're gonna go with fruits dot concat more fruits, and let's console log it. There we go. We got it all together now. It's pretty cool, huh? And now we're gonna create a shallow copy of a portion of an array, okay? We're gonna be using slice. So we're gonna use const favor favored fruit, whatever, like that. And we're gonna use all fruit. We're gonna do slice, and then we're gonna start with anything beginning with a 0 to the third. And then let's console log favored fruit. Okay, we're getting anything from 0 to the third index, 0, 1, 2, right? But to the third index, not included, okay? But if we want to include it, we go one extra right there. 0, 1, 2, 3, okay? The last number doesn't include it. That's how we create a shallow copy. But now this one, we want to modify an array by adding or removing elements. This here is pretty cool. And then we're gonna do const all fruits, and do all fruits dot splice. We're gonna get 2, 1, and then what do we want to do? We want to do jammy, whatever, okay? And we're gonna console.log fruits. See what happens here. Okay, we got originally. Let's do our fruits. We got our fruits, right? Jammy. Look, this right here changed. It should be cherry, but it modified. See, that's one way you can modify it by using splice.